What's going on, guys? We just got a part in the mail today. This is you can kind of judge by the shipping here. It's from out of country, out of town, but it's from AdvanBlack. We're gonna go ahead and open it up, do a little unboxing, and then we'll go ahead and put it on the motorcycle. I was gonna get something from AdvanBlack. I was like looking at getting some extended bags or maybe like a tour pack or something, and then I decided to go ahead and get some lowers from them. If we like what we see, maybe we'll get some more from them. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and review. So far it looks like it's packaged very well. Maybe we'll use this here. How much table I got? Okay. Go ahead and set this over here. Maximize my space here. I like how there are logos on everything. It seems like it's on the tape, it's on the bag. It's kind of cool. Oh yeah, this looks like it's wrapped up pretty good here. So like I said, this is going to be the lowers. What I also like about them is they are paint to match. So we'll have to get out there and take a look against the bike. But I can already tell it looks like it's the same black. And inside and under these lights, I can really tell any kind of imperfections in the paint or anything. And I really don't see any. This looks really good. You know, a lot of times when it's on the bike, you can't really tell because it's sitting down there. I mean, you could see the paint match there, but as far as, I mean, it's literally 2 inches from my face. I'm almost creating a little cloud on it when I breathe on it. So it's really close. So I can really see any imperfections if there was any, or any kind of flaws in the mold or when they made it. But it looks, wow, it looks nice. It looks real nice. And then I know they make like other things. They make like speaker pods that you can swap out here and so forth. And then you got your vent here, so you can let in some air or close it off. Let's see what else we get in the bags. I opened the box from the bottom, so we got some looks like some hardware probably. And just like a thank you paper here. And it's also got like something for Facebook and YouTube, so you can like them, follow them, ask any questions. They got a phone number and stuff like that. So, all right. Let's take a look at the hardware here real quick. See what we got. Oh, we got a sticker. A couple clamps that goes around your crash bar. And that's about it, really. I do believe the clamp, I have to take a look, but I believe the clamp just goes on the bottom, and then there's already kind of a clamp up here in the top. Yeah, just real quick, I kind of noticed that you open it up and there's like a bolt in there. I'm pretty sure that's what holds this front cover on. You can kind of see it right there. Let's look at this other one and make sure it's good to go too. Oh yeah, looks good. Trying not to get fingerprints all over it, it's so nice. The door works good. And then you just push it down and pops down. So I can put my sunglasses or something in there, quick access. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and stop the video there. This will be just the unboxing video, and then we'll go ahead and do an install video, and then with maybe a small review, but it's probably gonna be in the winter, so you're not gonna get a real good one. And then somewhere down the road, I'll probably do another review on them, how they're hanging in there, get some miles on them. So, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you guys soon with the install.